I can remember as an inner city kid who grew up on the east side of Cleveland, having dreams of becoming an airplane pilot. Unfortunately, there were not many programs, if any, that exposed kids to the field of aviation. That's why I created Four Forces of Flight Academy. My name is Dan Crosby. I'm a private pilot and Part 107 drone pilot with over 15 years of aviation experience. We'd like the opportunity to expose your school or youth group to the field of aviation. Contact us today for special group pricing. Talk to you soon.